This time we're going to use distribution to multiply the expression 3 root 2 times 1 minus the square root of 10. So we're going to distribute the 3 root 2 into this parenthesis, and that's going to give us 3 root 2 times 1, and then 3 root 2 times minus the square root of 10. Okay, so 3 root 2 times 1. Well, the 3 and the 1 are regular ordinary numbers, so multiply those. 3 by 1 is 3 times the square root of 2. And then over here you've got a plus times a minus. Okay, plus times a minus will be minus. 3 is the only regular number. 3 here, and it's a 1 there, so 3 by 1 is just 3. And then the root 2 by root 10 is root 20. Okay, now the thing here is that 20 has a perfect square factor. Okay, so we can write 20 this way, has a perfect square factor. In other words, 20 is equal to 4 times 5. So we end up now with this being equal to 3 root 2 minus 3 times the square root of, instead of 20, we're going to write 20 as 4 times 5. So we're just simplifying the square root of 20. Well, that's going to remain 3 root 2. This is going to be minus 3 times. Okay, so split this up. You're allowed to split up square roots when you're multiplying. Remember, not when you're adding or subtracting, but when you have a multiplication under a square root sign, you can split it up. So this becomes 3 root 2 minus 3 times, now the square root of 4 is 2 root 5. Okay, so this is 3 root 2 minus, now 3 times 2, those are regular numbers, so just multiply them. 3 times 2 is 6 root 5. And that's our answer. Okay, our answer is 3 root 2 minus 6 root 5, and that's fully simplified. And remember, root 2 and root 5 are different square roots, so we can't subtract here. We're not allowed to subtract. Okay.